Hi, Mr.
How are you doing, Mahmoud? Vinyl playing?
Vinyl playing. How
What is the address here, man?
62 Jasmine Crescent.
Hamilton. Hamilton job. We do for whole house vinyl playing.
E2K1.
This is the living room, dining room. And then coming from hallway. And then coming from the say after we have to put kitchen after finish from this side in entrance. It's a big room, and then go step later, and then it's gonna come in for the landing. It's upstairs. Vinyl playing, very nice, clean, and show beautiful. For same like hardwood, you know, hardwood laminate. Very nice. See from other room. It's a closet. Look nice, beautiful. This is going to other big room. There's one closet here. This is another room. Big master bedroom. Look very nice. This is vinyl playing. Very nice. Very good. Showing for the nice one. All the way go down here. After we're gonna painting the wall. Nice, beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. This is carpetgta.com. My name is Recep. My number is 416-732-7636.